This is the guide to downloading macOS High Sierra. The common way to download macOS High Sierra is from the App Store. However, when you type in macOS High Sierra in the search box and press return, you probably see no results in the App Store. Instead, you can use the direct link to locate macOS High Sierra from the App Store. If you see this update not found warning, or get stuck on downloading like me, your Mac probably runs on your macOS version or doesn't support High Sierra. In this case, you have to download macOS High Sierra DMG or iBoysoft file. For the macOS High Sierra DMG file, it can be used for creating a bootable USB installer for Mac models only. Shown how to download macOS High Sierra, you can try iBoysoft DiskGeeker, search for it on the browser and then download and install it on your Mac. This is a multifunctional tool that supports downloading macOS DMG and creating a bootable USB installer for macOS. With it, you can directly download the macOS High Sierra DMG file at a fast speed. Select Download Image on the left sidebar. Scroll down the prompt to find and choose macOS High Sierra and click Download Image. Then, wait for a moment to let the macOS High Sierra DMG file to be downloaded. Select Create Boot Disk on the left sidebar. Choose your external drive and click Select. Then, click Continue. Select macOS High Sierra and click Create Boot Disk, Continue and OK. Wait for the DMG file to finish downloading. You will immediately start creating the bootable macOS installer for High Sierra. The macOS High Sierra ISO file has wider usage. We can use it to build bootable installation media for virtual machines or physical disks for macOS, Windows and Linux. Download macOS High Sierra ISO from archive.org. If you need to run macOS High Sierra on a virtual machine, a macOS High Sierra VMDK file is better for you. It contains APA installed macOS High Sierra. Follow this link to get it. Hope my tutorial for downloading macOS High Sierra installer, DMG ISO and VMDK can give you some help.